In this video, I will show you how to download Google Form responses and save it as a PDF file. First, go to Google Forms. Sign into your account, select the form you want to download as PDF. Now, click on the Responses tab. You will see the actual summary of all the responses recorded in Data and Pie chart. To download this summary, click on the three-dot icon on Chrome browser here. Then select Print. You can also press Ctrl-P to access this print menu as well. Just click Save, and it will be downloaded to your computer as PDF. If you select the Questions tab and want to download all the responses, you can click on the three-dot icon here. You can download it as a CSV file, but for PDF, select the Print All Responses option. Then, wait for the page to load and click on Save. If you just want to download the individual tab, all you need to do is click on the print icon here. Then, proceed to save the file as PDF and name it whatever you want. That is it.